Alright guys, thank you for joining with Edu Nations with another video episode. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to write a basic email because this is very much important whether we are in our the academics or whether we are stepping into our internship or so through after that we are stepping into our official career. It is really important on to learn how to write an effective email. So for that I have chosen my Gmail. So this is a sample email account which I have created to for the learning purpose. So first of all you need to log on to your Gmail account. So after you are clicking the email interface, it will be look like this. And in the top left it will be scene 2, which is the recipient, and the CC, and it is shown BCC and the subject line, and thereafter the body, and after that you can insert your signature. This should be this could be customized based on your preference or based on your the qualifications or whatever thing you are willing to insert as signature. And the bottom part of your interface, it will be mentioning undo and redo whatever the yeah, whatever the words you are typing on the body or the to or subject area. And you can select the font size, the font type, and the font sizes. You can bold, you can use the italic items and underline, and you can color your text or the background, and you can align and put your number in on the bullets, and in uh, you can increase or decrease the indent, and the you can use the these options, right? And here you are here again it is mentioning the formatting and attaching the links, emojis, and insert the files used in your Google Drive, photos, and the confidential mode, insert signature, and there are more options as well. So for an example, if you are in your academic period or your internship, or whether you are in the professional the working year, so when you're writing an email, so first of all you need to select recipient. This home to be address either maybe your the work colleague or the people who are from outside the organization. So according to that, type correct email address here and put the subject in a very short format. And for the CC and BCC, means CC means a carbon copy, the BCC means blind carbon copy. You can CC to the let's say you need to send it to the one of office colleagues, and you need to CC your manager to show that everyone to show that which is CC to your manager. And if you need to the secretly send to the someone, but the recipient doesn't know who has been kept as blind carbon copy. So based on your request and the preference, you can decide whom to going to CC and whom to are going to BCC. And based on that you need to very briefly type down what is subject, and based on that you need to start to type in the email. So here you can start, dear sir, madam, and start with the greetings, and type what sort of uh, request or what's your answer on that. To write your answer and provide the specification, provide the supporting documents or the numbers or whatever the percentages. You can use it, attach to your relevant email or the reply email. And so after writing your proper the body, the reply in the body, so you can finally enter. So appreciate your kind response. So hope looking forward the reply from the your recipient in. So based on that you can insert your the customer signature, and you can add whatever the documents or whatever the other documents in your drive, or actually based on the person you can add emoji, and you can uh, click send. So which is really a important thing, because personally I'll be experiencing when the some of the emails which received me I can't understand, what's in that email. So again, I need to send to the recipient. So kindly uh, send your details, proper details with the whatever the query or the problem you have. So when you're typing an email, so insert what's the subject, what needs to be inserted in the body area. If you are going to reply for the relevant emails, to use whatever the documents, percentages, and write to the comprehensive the email reply to that. So then only the other party will be happy. So this is really the basic thing which I need to learn. But through that, you can make big impact in your organization or in your business. So try this out. So guys, thank you for joining with Edu Nations. So I'll be time bringing you the career tips uh, for your the which is really helpful for your career or the business. Thank you.